Hello, dear grade 11 students. We are back again in part 2, reading 9A. Same pages of part 1, page 128, 129. Objectives of today are to understand and respond to detail in a text. 2. Guess the meaning of unknown words from context. 3. To communicate a personal response on a familiar topic. As you all know, last time we have learned a lot about many places in Cappadocia, and we went on a virtual tour to many places. So let's see the following pictures to refresh our mind about the places we've been to and have a close look at them. So the first picture shows, yes, Goremi National Park, which is filled with unique rock formations, towers, and chimneys, and it is located in a volcanic region of central Turkey. Picture 2, it shows Pashabag, which has a unique rock formations with twin and triple shaped chimneys called mushroom chimneys. Picture 3, it shows the Roman castle of Wishisar, which sits on the highest point in the valley. And then these are the Kaymakli underground city, which has over 100 tunnels and rooms, and it's said to have housed between 3,500 and 5,000 people. Next, this is Iklara Valley, created by a volcanic eruption. It has a large river flows through the valley. It is famous for hiking and horseback riding tours. Last picture is of Avanos. It is known for pottery. It is located just north of Gorima National Park. So look at the following text and the picture and guess which of the four mentioned places we will study closer. Look at these rock formations here on Earth, and then there is something here and the ground. So what do you think is the place? Yes, it's Kaymakli Underground City. So let's read the text and answer the following questions. 1. What makes Cappadocia so special and unique? 2. How was the landscape formed? Was it recently formed? 3. What else makes Cappadocia very unique and a must visit in Turkey? 4. What were they used for? What purposes did it serve at that time? Dear students, take your time reading the text and answering the questions. You can stop the video at any time, do the task, and then come back to check your answers. So let's answer the first question. What makes Cappadocia so special and unique? So what is special about this town? It's the landscape, very good. So the landscape of Cappadocia is very unique, okay? It's not common on the whole world. See the rock formations? Question 2. How was the landscape formed? Was it recently formed? So, geologists explain that the landscape of Cappadocia was formed after several volcanoes erupted millions of years ago. The result is a landscape full of unusual formations that stretch as high as 40 meters into the sky. That's amazing. Question 3. What else makes Cappadocia unique and a must visit in Turkey? So, besides the spectacular landscape, what makes the area special is the fascinating world found underneath the soaring columns and towers. Thousands of years ago, humans began carving into the rock. They created multi-level underground cities consisting of chambers, means rooms inside a cave, connected by a vast network of passages and tunnels. This is really interesting to see and learn about. Question 4. What were they used for? What purposes did they serve at that time? Talking about the chambers and the underground rooms and city. So these chambers were used initially as shelter for animals and harsh weather conditions, sleeping and cooking, then storing water and grains. Also, they were used for keeping livestock such as sheep and horses, and large vertical tunnels served as ventilation shafts. So these people were ready for everything at that time. How genius human beings are, really. As you might notice, the text is an extract from a travel guide. So try to read it again and label the diagram. You should use no more than 2 words per answer. Take your time. So here, the first arrow here, it shows the unique rock formations that took thousands of years to form and are the result of, yes, wind and water eroding the hardened volcanic ash. The label here, it shows a large system of passages and tunnels help to connect the caves which made up the underground cities. Good. 3. So here it shows the chambers on the first level were used for keeping livestock. Very good. Picture 4. So what are these vertical tunnels? They are ventilation shafts. Very good. In form of vertical tunnels ensure the provision of oxygen. And 5, look at 5 here. So this is, water from the core of Earth. So here, underground sources of water were accessed through the use of wells. Very good. We move now to Task A, page 129. Look at the highlighted words in the text and match them with the appropriate meaning. The words are carved, delicacy, gorge, erode, shelter, well. The definitions are to gradually destroy over time, to cut into a surface, C. A deep hole in the ground to get water from, D. Temporary protection from bad weather or danger, E. A valley that is narrow and deep, F. Food that is considered a treat to eat because it's rare. So, first word, carve. The rock formations or the castle is carved into rocks. It means B. To cut into a service. 2. Delicacy. It means F. A food that is considered a treat to eat because it's rare. Good. 3. Gorge. E. It means a valley that is narrow and deep. Very good. The word erode, it means, it is a verb. The noun is erosion, and it's related to A, to gradually destroy over time. 5. Shelter. B, temporary protection from bad weather or danger. Well, it means, yes, last answer C, a deep hole in the ground to get water from. Very good. So, after learning a lot about Turkey and Cappadocia in particular, would you like to go on this tour to Cappadocia, and why? The answer would be yes, definitely. I would love to go and see Cappadocia. Personally, I've been to Turkey, but never to Cappadocia. So next visit would be to Cappadocia, hopefully, as visiting Cappadocia would be a once-in-a-lifetime experience, as it will be fun and broadens the mind as well. A guided tour of the underground cities sure to be an unforgettable experience. The place has so much history that learning about it would be a real eye-opener, as it would be amazing to understand not only how people lived so many years ago, but also how they adapted and shaped the landscape to suit their needs. And this would be really amazing and very interesting to learn and see. Now allow me to check how deep is your knowledge about your country, Qatar. Let me ask you this question. Does the rock formation in Cappadocia remind you of a unique place in Qatar? Think. Personally, I have been to a place that reminds me of the rock formations that's found in Cappadocia. The place is, look at the pictures. Does it remind you of any place here in Qatar? So here the factor of erosion is very clear, is very obvious in these pictures, which made these beautiful rock formations. This place is, yes, it's Zikrit in Dukhan. I hope you visit this place too. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep safe. See you next time in the next video. Bye bye for now.